Peaches are enjoyed around the world and are consumed for their distinct taste and pleasant flavor, especially during the summer months. They are often found in baked goods and other recipes, such as jam and smoothies. Along with their great taste, they are also incredibly healthy for our bodies. They are loaded with nutrition and antioxidants and can promote our overall health a number of important ways. Let's discuss some of the incredible health benefits of consuming peaches regularly. First, peaches are loaded with healthy nutrition for our bodies. They are an excellent source of many different vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients that are important for many bodily processes. Specifically, peaches are high in vitamin C, vitamin A, potassium, niacin, copper, and vitamin E. As well, they are loaded with many different antioxidant compounds, contain a good amount of dietary fiber, and are fairly low in calories. Surprising to some, but peaches are actually an antioxidant powerhouse. In fact, one of the fruit's greatest benefits is its high amounts of potent antioxidants. These antioxidants are important to live a healthy life, since they can help to eliminate free radicals in the body, reduce the risk of oxidative stress, and even reduce the risk of certain diseases. Peaches can also help to boost our immune system in this way. One unique and potent antioxidant compound found in peaches is caffeine acid. This incredible antioxidant can help to protect the body from unwanted carcinogens and is especially helpful at fighting certain diseases. Regular consumption of peaches can also help to boost the health of our digestive system, increase nutrient uptake from the healthy foods we eat, and treat certain gut disorders. This is attributed to the high amounts of dietary fiber that are found in peaches, which can help relieve constipation, add bulk, and improve regularity. Peaches can also help to treat gut disorders such as diarrhea and gastroesophageal reflux disease. Also, the high amounts of antioxidants and nutrients found in peaches can help to reduce inflammation throughout the digestive tract, improving overall digestion. They are also incredibly heart healthy and can help to reduce the risk of heart disease and heart conditions many different ways. This is attributed to the unique and potent combination of bioactive compounds that peaches contain that can significantly reduce the risk of heart disease. This includes antioxidants, which we have already discussed, as well as many different anti-inflammatory compounds and nutrients. The bioflavonoids found in peaches also improve cholesterol levels and lipid profiles. If that wasn't enough, peaches can also help to reduce inflammation throughout the body and cardiovascular system, and are a good source of heart-healthy polyphenols. Lastly, consuming peaches regularly can help to support the health of our eyes and healthy vision, especially as we get older. This is once again attributed to their high levels of powerful antioxidants. As well, due to the presence of lutein found in peaches, this makes them especially helpful for protecting our eyes and promoting their overall health. Peaches can also help to prevent certain eye disorders, such as macular degeneration, as well as age-related vision impairment. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, and share. If you would like to hear about more healthy foods and food and beauty tips, please subscribe to the channel. Have a great and healthy day.